So yeah, if you're seeing the title to this video, basically, I just think the algorithm hates me.
Stop talking and just hit record.
The algorithm is not fucking with me right now, man. Listen, YouTube is a crazy place, right? As a creator, we all hear about the algorithm. We all hear about the mighty algorithm. Don't mess with the algorithm because the algorithm will f you up. And that's true. Also, we hear about the myth of the shadow ban, right? You know, don't do it, because the shadow will come through and take you to that realm and you'll never have a video pop up again. Now, I personally think that the algorithm is not messing with me right now. The algorithm does not like me. And I may or may not have done some things to make the algorithm mad. I ain't gonna lie. But let's talk about my channel, right? If you notice, you might notice some things. You might notice that I have a pretty decent subscriber count. Yeah, I had a pretty decent subscriber count. But another thing that you may notice is that my views don't really match that subscriber count, right? And I'll tell you why. Not only am I not in great favor with the algorithm, but I may have been visited by the shadow beast, right? The shadow ban beast. And I'll tell you what I did, right? And here's what you should not do. Or if you do this, you should expect some downtime before you get some uptime. So this channel used to have completely different content. If you were here before, you know that the content was completely different. Now I kind of changed things up and I started giving you guys content like this. And my reasoning behind that was because I wasn't pushing any content to this channel with the content that was here before. And now that I'm doing something completely different, the algorithm is confused, and the algorithm does not like to be confused. Listen, the worst thing you can do is confuse the algorithm. The algorithm does not like to be confused. So the algorithm is upset right now, and something that I expected. And I know that, you know, the algorithm works in a way where it suggests videos to people that are interested in your content. And it also uses those numbers, those metrics. It uses those to determine who to push your video to for new people, new viewers watching your video. So the algorithm, though people might look at it like it's some villain, the algorithm is actually very helpful, especially for small channels, because if it reads your channel right, it literally promotes your video to people that it feels may be interested. Just think about how YouTube used to be. Like YouTube, before the whole algorithm thing, YouTube was literally like people just had to find your video by searching for it. And we all know how hard that would be for you to find it. A lot of your favorite channels, you probably would not have found them without the algorithm. So it's kind of like a love-hate relationship, because when it works for you, you love it. But then when it's against you, you hate that. You want to, but at this point, I'm basically in a battle with the algorithm. But what I will say is the bright side is that I don't think this is something that lasts forever. I think it just takes time to relearn your channel. And I think the things that you can do in the midst of that are important. Things like tagging your channel correctly, promoting your channel on social media networks, which YouTube loves. They love when your video is promoted somewhere else. They love when it's promoted somewhere else and brings that audience to YouTube. So that's something that could work in your favor, and you can get in the favor of the algorithm. You know, tagging your channel, putting in your tags, the correct tags on your videos, having decent thumbnails, you know, having good titles. You just have to give the YouTube time to relearn your channel, and that's all it is. And I can't say that I've been doing everything I needed to do, because one of the things that I should be doing to combat this is just being more consistent on videos, dropping more videos so that YouTube understands, okay, this is what his channel is about. And I think that's what I need to do a little bit more of, and I haven't been doing that. So this is not a blame game for the algorithm. I'm not saying the algorithm is the reason for all my problems, but changing your content after you've already been read and known for that content could do things like this. And the reason why that happens, to explain further, is let's say you got 20 subscribers, right? And let's say you were doing gaming content. those 20 subscribers that you gained from gaming content, those 20,000 subscribers, they want to see gaming content. So when you have subscribers that don't want to see gaming content and all of a sudden there's gaming content on their feed, they're not watching. So in turn, the algorithm looks at that and says, this percentage of your followers, of your subscribers, aren't even watching your content. What's going on there? So what it does is it suggests your content less. So unless they come looking for what you posted, they won't see that on their feed because you're showing them that you're less interested. Now the algorithm will try. It'll try to push that some videos for a little while before it does you dirty. But here's the problem. When they continuously see gaming content now, if they really not mess with it, they'll click suggest less or they'll click don't recommend it. And that's just something you got to deal with because at the end of the day, you're changing the content, right? So the people that were interested in what you were giving to them, they might not be interested in what you're doing now, and that's okay. So you have to build that up again with people that are interested in the content that you're now putting up. And that's a constant battle, man. YouTube is YouTube. It's a constant battle to grow on YouTube. It's very hard. And the one thing I should suggest to kind of combat this is when you're on YouTube and you're putting out your content, focus on being yourself. Focus on being who you are. Don't change for nobody. Don't try to be anybody else. Focus on being you because your personality, if people attach themselves to your personality and who you are, they might not give a damn about what you post. They might only care that it's you. So that's an important thing to look at and, just be consistent. The algorithm is something that, people talk about in a bad way, but it's also something that works for a lot of small content creators and it works for a lot of people. So you just got to abide by the rules, play by the rules. And, on YouTube, there's always something that people are saying, don't do this, don't do that. I think, honestly, man, at the end of the day, your content will always be king. I don't care how many times you tweak a thumbnail. I don't care how many times you add a tag. I don't care if you upload and then hit private and then wait 24 hours to let the YouTube recognize your video and then publish it. Your content will always be king. And I say this because there's so many people out there who just hit record. They don't edit anything and they just put a still shot from the video and they still get a lot of views. Now, granted, a lot of those people have already amassed a lot of subscribers. So I'm not telling y'all to neglect thumbnails or anything. It's important. I'm just saying that your content will always be the driving factor. You have to get people to find your video when you're a small creator. So that's why the thumbnails are so important. But once you're established, you'll realize people don't really care about that thumbnail as much as they did when you were growing. But that doesn't mean to neglect it and start being lazy. Still keep your drive up and still do what you're doing. And just focus on what you're doing and focus on being, So that's all I gotta say about it. I'm currently fighting that battle, still fighting that battle. We'll see how good this video does. But if you'll see the numbers, if the numbers are low, you'll see what I'm talking about. So, I hope that this is something that'll help somebody out there understand the algorithm a little bit or understand the battles that you may be fighting that you don't even know is going on. If you're wondering why are my views kind of crazy, this could be part of the reason. And let me end this by saying, I don't know everything about YouTube. YouTube is obviously a company who has their things in place and they do things the way they do things. I mean, people always talk about shadow banning, algorithm, do this and do that. At the end of the day, only YouTube knows how they do what they do. So all we can do is fight the good fight and keep creating. Thank you. If you want to help me fight this battle, like the video, hit that subscribe button, share this video, and hopefully more people that like this kind of content will come through and watch and help me fight this battle. Just like Game of Thrones, man. We fighting the Ice King, man. That's what we doing. Help your boy in this battle. Big Zo University. Let's go.